Hi everyone, it's Laura. Welcome to video number 33 in a series of 3,000. Now, I know I haven't posted a giveaway for a while, so I'll tell you the reasons behind that. My husband went to Montreal for 9 or 10 days to work for his work. They were opening a new call center there, so I didn't have him for all that time. During that time, I fell 5 times. I didn't break anything, but let me tell you, I was black and blue all over. It was ridiculous. And then the day he got home, I fell getting out of the car. And also, while he was gone, I took the car one night and went to town, and it had just snowed. Remember, I live in Canada, so we have snow. It just had snowed, and they have these trucks that are sand trucks, and Chloe, and they go around the streets spreading sand on the streets, and that's how it keeps from being so slippery. So I went to turn out of a parking lot, and I did not see that there was an island between the 2 lanes of highway. It's like the road was brown, the island was brown, the other side of the road, like everything was brown. So all I saw was brown, and I hit the gas and never saw the island at all until boom, I hit it. Oh shit. So then I ended up just having to continue and drive off of it. And as soon as the car got down into the other lane, it was just thunk, 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 thunk. And I was like, oh my God, what did I do? Because I'd never had anything happen like that in my life. So anyway, I called my husband crying from a parking lot, and I didn't know what to do. I was crying, and so he was trying to tell me, it's okay, honey, it's okay. We have roadside assistance. They'll come and they'll change the tire. Everything's fine. And so, yeah, the guy came. He was there within a few minutes. It was one of the front tires that was flat, so he changed the back tire to the front and put the little wheel spare tire on the back. And off I went, and it was fine. So when my husband got home, he took it in to the auto body place to assess the damage, and there was over $3,000 worth of damage. Yeah, I had ruined the bumper, the rim, plastic parts that were underneath the car and everything. I mean, we have insurance on it, but we have a $500 deductible, so we have to pay the first $500. So that's not what you like to hear just before Christmas. But we had managed to save that much money towards getting my root canal done, because that's going to be $1,500 to $2,000. We're not sure yet. So yesterday, my tooth started hurting again, so I have to get antibiotics again tonight, and do that for another 10 days. Yeah, so everything's been just great. I thank God for all my friends online to talk to, because I don't know where I'd be. And I thank God that my son and his wife live in our downstairs apartment right now, because they were able to help me. I've gotten to the point now that I have to use my walker when I go out. You know what I mean? You see the old people using them. Well, that's me now. And I've had it for about 2 years, and the doctors and everybody have been telling me for 2 years that I should be using it all the time. And I've just been like, no, 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 no. And I kind of said, like, once I get to the point where I need it, then I'll know and I'll have to use it. So I have gotten to that point, and I'm a little bit more comfortable using it because I know that if I didn't have it, I'd fall again. So that's lovely. Remember I told you this was our homemade Christmas. All our Christmas presents were supposed to be homemade, but now I can't feel my fingers right down to the bottom. So all these things that I'm supposed to be crocheting, I can't feel the hooks anymore to do it. So I'm gonna have to buy some Christmas presents. We are actually going out tonight to Winners. I know I told you about Winners, I love it. And it's going to be one-stop shopping. All our Christmas gifts will be purchased tonight. Maybe not for my son and his wife, but I have to mail all my gifts to North Carolina and to my husband's family in Alberta. Yeah, so that will be done tonight. We'll be vigorously wrapping over the next couple of days to get everything done. And I wanted to tell you about that actually because I am the gift wrapper extraordinaire. I am going to put out my next video as a tutorial on how to wrap the most beautiful gift. So what you're going to need for this is a gift. So maybe a clothes-sized box, or a shoebox sized box with a gift in it, and I want you to buy a roll of wired ribbon, and I'm going to show you how to make the most beautiful bow in the world with that. So now you know. I still have my giveaway going on for my 1,500 subscriber giveaway and my 2,500 on Instagram. And actually on Instagram, I'm already to over 3,000. So that was done. So we just need to get the subscribers on YouTube up to 1,500. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of things. I won this Phase Halo, the Modern Makeup Remover Pro Black 3-pack. And I'll show you what they look like. This is awful. I can't even hardly open that with my fingers. So they look like this. Remember I got that little makeup remover from, I'm trying to think what the thing is called. Maybe it's just makeup remover. It was a little pink thing in one of my boxes. And what you do is you just wet these things and it takes all of your makeup off. And I like I haven't tried these yet. I want to show you guys first, but I really like the fact that these are black because the other makeup one I got was pink, and though it works very, very well, the mascara really stains it. So I like this idea. And I got a parcel in the mail too, which is a it's called Skin Kick. And it is Naturally Smart Skincare, Calm, Refresh, and Glowing Skin. And inside the box, I got a handwritten note for somebody called Deb. So someone out there has a box for Laura. And inside it looks like this. It's beautiful. There's 3 things in there. One, this bottle is face wash. This one is blemish relief. And this one is glow renewing serum. Yeah, so they're just little squirt bottles. And I will probably be doing a review on this. Oh, probably a month from now or more. I still have to do my review on the Swiss Phyto Cosmeceuticals. I'm finished to those, but I haven't put my words together yet on what I'm going to say. And today I won a giveaway as well. And you, if you go to my Instagram, I put a picture of it on there. So, yeah, it's actually 2 makeup palettes. So I'm really excited to see those. And on Instagram, I got together with 2 different groups of people to do giveaways. So on December the 1st, I have 2 giveaways starting. One is with a group of 10 girls, and one is with a group of companies that I put together. So there's different products in there, but everything is for girls and women. So all kinds of hair care, skin care, makeup, you name it, it's in there. Okay, so I want to remind you to live fearless. That's my motto, and you have to live by that. Okay, and I just one more thing I'm going to mention. In the new year, I'm going to do a little project with my teenagers. I know I have some teens that watch me, so I want you to put your name in if you're interested. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send out little boxes full of different things. This is just a sample. Everybody won't get the same thing. I want to do that for anywhere between 5 and 6 girls maybe. And but you will be responsible for doing reviews for the things that are in your box. You will need to do 1 review every week of a product, and if you're writing something negative, you're going to have to back that up with, you know, your evidence. And the same as if you're saying it's good, then you're going to have to back that up with, you know, what you liked about the product, what you thought was good about it. I think this would be a great opportunity for some of you younger girls to be able to do something like this. So just put your name in down below. I want to give a shout out to Jennifer Lucas because she is a teen on my account and she came up with this idea, and I think it's a wonderful idea. So a shout out to her, and she is automatically in for that. So yeah, get your names in. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice night. Bye.